Okay, so welcome to part 3 of what happened to the Forex Helper. If you haven't checked out the other parts, go ahead and check those out. Now I'm going to get into the account, and this is going to ring true to the format that I will be having from this point forward. Meaning that I'm going to show the accounts at the end of every report. All right, I'm not going to repeat myself as to what I'm going to do in the reports. Fundamental analysis will come first, and then technical analysis will come at the end. All right, current market value. Let's take a look. Let's see what's going on. All right, so here we go. Here's the account that we've been actually following last with current market value. This has always been our current market value account. As you can see, it is a real account. Check it out. Guys, let's get right into it. See what's going on here. Let's look at the trades here. Doing very well. Okay. But let's look at the dates here. How long have we been holding this? Okay. So the pandemic took place in I'll just use the month of March, okay? March, okay, the lockdown and all that stuff, right? So here, April, here actually March 31st. Here, this has been being held from March 31st. This one here, and here we go, guys. I mean, here's another one. March 31st. March 31st. It's in profit. All of these are current market value, by the way. Current market value. Go back to the current market value report and see for yourself. Okay, here, April 1st. Okay, March. So around March and April of 2020, guys, all of this is CMV. This is Bitcoin. So if you're looking at this, those of you who are new, at first glance, you might be like, oh, is that $1 million or something like that? No, this is bits. This is a Bitcoin account, okay? The principles are still the same. If you apply current market value to any market, to any financial asset that you decide to invest, you wait 90 days, you'll make profit. Obviously, this is more than 90 days here. I'm doing this recording on August 26, 2020. So you do the math. And this is where we are. Current market value. Okay? Here we are. Okay? So take a look and see what's going on. And this is where we are with the account. I'm not going to go into the account management, looking at everybody's account and seeing how this is going and da-da-da-da-da. There's so much to do, so much to cover. A lot of ground to cover here, so I can't use that time to do all that here. And like I said before, in the first part of this, what happens to the Forex Helper, I'm not going to spend unnecessary time proving myself on current market value anymore. If you don't believe it, then that's you. If you do believe it, great. That's just what it is. Okay? So if you're interested in the ebook, you know what to do. Visit the website, email us, admin@theforexhelper.com, or you visit the website. There's a chat thing. Open that chat box up, talk to the representative there. Now, those of you who are on WhatsApp, I already got the emails and the messages from the team about the WhatsApp. Okay, that's going to get back in order. All right. The thing about WhatsApp, the reason why it's like that is because, see, WhatsApp, you're linked to only one number. So I might have to just change the whole WhatsApp system, because it's like, I'm trying to use the best analogy here. It's just like, it's like a bottleneck system. All right. You got all of this, all these people trying to get in, and then the entrance is so small, and it's just like this funnel. The funnel is so small, and it's like dripping a few at a time. So I might have to get more numbers and get other people on the team to deal with the amount of people that's trying to get in. Our membership has exploded, guys. And so I got to do what I got to do to make sure that everyone is being serviced properly. Okay, let's just leave it at that. But to get the best response, go to the website, use the chat thing. All right. Let's see. If you want the service for account management, I will say this. The best way to do it is sign up through our link. I'll talk more about that, but you can go to the website, go to the pricing website, sign up for account management. If you have questions, use the chat. You can use the chat there as well. If you're interested in the Signal service, you can do the same thing there. Use the chat feature as well. And guys, even if you're a part of the Signal membership, account management, you haven't read the ebook, read the ebook so that you can be on the same page. Always be on the same page. Know what I'm talking about. Understand what's going on so you don't be lost out there. And I'm not going to say it again, but actually I will say it again, but I'm not going to harp on it. Guys, you got to be on the same page, not only with the Forex Helper, but you got to know what time it is. Understand the financial landscape. And I'll make that more clear as time goes on, Lord willing. Okay? As long as I have breath in my lungs, Lord willing, I'll go ahead and keep doing that. Okay? But it's very important to understand what time it is in the financial market. Okay? You could develop this skill. Even if you don't have the full understanding, you can still use the resources that I'm providing through this business to be able to help you. Because if you're going to wait on global universal income to help you, if you're going to wait for these, all right, these socialists to drop crumbs for you, well, God help you. That's all I can say. God help us all, really, including myself. But please understand the time we're in. And I'm not in any way advocating that, you build yourself a fortress with money, because that's not going to save you either. All right. I'm not advocating that at all. Some of you guys might have this perplexed look, but wait a minute, aren't you the Forex Helper and you're talking about money and the financial system and this and that? Yeah, I know. I got it. Trust me, I know. But I'm also the Forex Helper. I'm also Gabriel. I'll tell you in a quick second that money ain't everything. I'm going to tell you that. And this could easily become a trap. But that depends on where your heart is. And I'm not the judge of that. I can't be the judge of that. All money does is magnify the condition of your heart. If you're already a giving person, you get more money, guess what? You're still going to be a giving person. You're just going to be able to give more. That's all. But if your heart's not in the right place and you get more money, well, guess what? It's just going to magnify it even more. That's all it's going to do. So it's a heart condition. Okay? I'm providing the tools, just like any other tools out there. You give somebody a gun, if it depends on the person's heart condition, okay? Any tool. You give someone a hammer, for crying out loud. They could either use it for good or evil. It depends on the condition of their heart. And that's not my place, okay? So I'm providing a tool here. And you could take it or leave it. You can use it, learn to use it more effectively. Be patient, be understanding. And let's go ahead and move forward on this, because the Forex Helper is moving forward here. And that's where I'm going to conclude What happened to the Forex Helper? That's what's happened to the Forex Helper. The Forex Helper is moving forward. So let's move forward. And I'll see you in the next video series. Okay. Have any questions, contact us. Happy trading. Happy investing.